Hello everyone! Today we will show you different preview modes of content in Doculayer. Previewing content can be done in 3 different modes: initial, expanded and side-by-side preview. So let's start with the initial preview. This occurs immediately when you open the dossier and select the document you want to preview. All of the dashboard tools and functions are accessible from this preview mode. While in the initial preview mode, you can switch to expand preview mode. It provides you with an enlarged version of your document that simultaneously eliminates the distractions of features and similar to a read-only setting. No editing or changes can be made to this document. The last option is side-by-side preview mode. It allows users to view an open document next to your search screen or another open document. Very convenient if you have to work with several documents simultaneously. Alright everybody, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more how-to videos. See you next time!